Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're at the Residence Inn by Marriott in Baton Rouge, and we're going to give you a tour of our room. This hallway gives me kind of a liminal spaces vibe. I feel like I'm playing Doom or something like that. The walls are, it's like textured wallpaper, but it's really all one color. And it's dead quiet in here, even though the place is fully booked. So we're going to check out our room, which is room number 124, first floor room. And look, we got a door knocker. So this is a King Studio suite, and turn on some lights here. We walk into a large living room and kitchen, and the bed's over there, so it's all one room, but it's pretty well set up. And I'm pretty sure we've stayed at one of these somewhere before. I believe it was San Antonio Airport. We got our room rates, and the girl at the front desk said that last night they had the big LSU-Alabama game and they were charging those rates. But tonight it was only like 100 and, I forget what it was, 175. That's a map of the hotel. We're over here on the first floor. We have a peephole. We have a safety latch, mechanical deadbolt. As we come into the room, we have a desk here, and the desk is up against a little L-shaped couch, which I'm going to assume this is a pull-out. It is, and it looks like it's collapsed a bit there. So this is a kitchen area, and in the kitchen we have just about everything. This is a kind of a short refrigerator. It's only about 5 feet tall, but it's got a full-size freezer with an ice maker. And nice size refrigerator, which is perfect for an extended stay. You're not gonna have a month's worth of groceries when you're just staying at a hotel for a week or two. We have a microwave over the stove, and then a little 2-burner stove with just regular electric burners. Roll of paper towels, dish towel, some Palmolive soap, and a Scotch-Brite type scrubby pad. Cutting board, nice large sink. We have hot and cold running water. The water's nice and wet. Little 1-cup coffee maker. Down here we have a dishwasher. This is an old dishwasher. I don't know how old this hotel is, but I haven't seen a dishwasher like this since the 80s. But it's a decent sized dishwasher. It's a little bit smaller than a normal one, I think. It seems small, but it doesn't have any bad smells coming out of it like dishwashers tend to have sometimes. Under the sink, we got a garbage can, an extra roll of paper towels, a scrub brush, dishwasher detergent, and a little soap dish, and a disposal. Over here, we have a drawer full of silverware, and it's a pretty good collection of silverware. It looks like they got 4 of everything. Some of the larger cooking utensils, can opener, potato peeler, a couple of oven mitt type things, this toaster. These drawers are kind of messed up. I think I got it off the track. Have to fix that later. And under here we have pots and pans, and this is a glass kind of like Pyrex dish with a locking cover on it. A little pitcher if you want to make lemonade or iced tea or something. Up above, we have more cabinets. Those are empty. Those are those cabinets above the refrigerator. Everybody puts all the junk in that nobody's ever going to touch. And I guess since nobody actually lives here, that doesn't happen. This is a rack, I believe, is going to be for the microwave. Yeah, you can put a rack in the microwave. And I don't know whether this is a convection oven. I don't think it is. Over here we have another cabinet, and this is where all the dinnerware is. 4 large plates, 3 small plates, 4 bowls, 4 juice glasses, 4 coffee mugs, 4 regular glasses, Pyrex measuring cup, and a colander. I guess somebody broke one of the little plates. But this is pretty nicely equipped for an extended stay. Moving on in here, we have a little 2-top table. Or I guess you could sit and eat dinner. So that combined with the desk, you know, there's a lot of places to sit and a lot of surfaces to put stuff down on. Now here at the desk, let's see, we got a power outlet and a network adapter. Over here we got another 2 power outlets and what looks like it might be a light sensor to shut everything off when you're not moving around. The air is controlled by a thermostat. Down here we have another lamp, and it doesn't have any power outlets, but there's an accessible power outlet right there behind the table. Coming over to the room, or to the bedroom, we have this credenza here. Oh, and it's actually a dresser. So we have 2 small drawers, 2 large drawers. The bottom has got the bedding, I guess, for the pull-out couch. Little table here with a lamp, and it does not have a power outlet on it. But this is a king-size bed. Give you 4 pillows. The HVAC unit is inside this wall right here. It's a little loud. This is dented in a little bit. They had kind of a wild crowd in here last night. Everything's nicely decorated though. And pretty well lit too. And the TV is not greeting me by name like the last Marriott we stayed in, but it's a Samsung and it can be swiveled around to either face the bed or, well, no, it doesn't actually swivel. It's not bolted down so you can move it. So you can watch it from the couch or you can watch it from bed. Now on this side of the bed we have a power outlet and a USB charger port on the lamp. And we have a few drawers here with the Holy Bible and the Book of Mormon. The Book of Mormon, that's a Marriott thing. J.W. Marriott was a Mormon, and that's why there's a Book of Mormon in every Marriott hotel room, whereas most hotel rooms that aren't Marriott just have a Bible. So now we're going to move into the vanity area. We have a nice sized mirror. Have hot and cold running water here. We get a cleansing bar, instant hand sanitizer wipe and makeup remover wipe, box of Kleenex. And we have even more drawers. This place has more storage. Hair dryer. This place has more storage than any hotel we've stayed in a long time. Everything's kind of old and a little worn. Like all the drawers are kind of messed up when you try to pull them out, but not to the point of looking bad or anything. It's a nice sized closet here. sliding doors, it's got shelves. And just like the drawers, these things don't really slide the way they're supposed to. They're a little rough. Got hangers, and these are normal sized hangers that you can hang on a normal curtain rod. We got an iron and an ironing board. And let's check out the bathroom. So the bathroom, I couldn't go in here because Carrie was hiding in here, but don't tell her I said that. We have 3 bath towels hanging up here over the toilet. And this is an American Standard toilet. Kind of slow to flush. I think, like I said, I think this is an older property. Because it just doesn't seem to have certain modern things. No place to hang up a robe or whatever, towel on the door. You see how these hinges are getting kind of rusty? And I'm not complaining. I don't think there's anything here that's not clean or not up to high standards. It's just an older property, and that's something that happens. You know, unless they completely rebuild the place, you're gonna find stuff like that. They give us a bath mat and a washcloth, which I knocked over on the floor. We got the curved shower curtain rod up here. And then in here, let's see, these are supposed to clamp onto some kind of little dispenser, but apparently they don't have that in here. This is hand and body wash, and it's just about empty. 39 degrees north. This is conditioner. And this is shampoo. This is a decent looking shower head, and it's adjustable. Let's take a look at how that works. It's even got a little thing on here that tells you hot. Oh, I see. Okay, so this is different from what we usually see in most modern hotels, is this thing pulls out, turn it on, and then it's either hot or cold, which you don't see that too much anymore. Usually it's just one turn around, and the further you go, the hotter it gets. You get a nice flow from the shower head. Now there's a knob on the side of here that adjusts. Gives you a harder jet there. And it's dripping a little bit, but you know, it doesn't have a bunch of clogged up holes in the jets. So overall, although this is an older property, really don't have any complaints about it. It's very clean. Everything I expect to be here is here, and there's nothing to complain about. So this is our view out the window, and once again we're on the ground floor, which is something we normally don't get, but it's dark outside because it's nighttime, and daylight saving time just either started or ended. It's the fall. We rolled back last night, so it's pretty dark out there. So let's turn on the lights and see what it looks like by day. And this is the view by day. So as you can see, we just have a parking lot, and there's an office building right next door, and that's about it. So we're going to conclude our hotel tour here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, follow us on social media, and be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.